I got a Wedge model fiberglass top. Fits the 07 to 13 GMC Sierra with the 8-foot bed. It's a Fibrobec Equattro, which is made by ARE. It's the same as the ARE TW series. It's a burgundy, 66 red is the paint code on this one. It's got a couple minor blemishes, but really nothing too bad on it. I don't see any damage here at all. Everything looks good all down this side. Down the front edge. Across the bottom, there's no problems that I'm seeing on this side. It's got half side sliders on the side. A couple minor chips right there's one. A couple up through here along this edge. Pretty much all the way along this edge. There's some chips. Now this is all behind the cabin up on the top, so you're not going to see this anyways. But it's got a couple scrapes on the top. Went through something a little bit too low, it looks like. It only goes to there, so they must have realized that it was there. Picture window in the front. No damage here. That's, like I said, same corner of the chip that was there on the last photo. A couple chips up in here on the top. Nothing real major. No damage down through here that I see so far. So this one's really nice. A little bit of scuff there on the back corner. This one's really nice. There's really nothing wrong with this one at all. All looks good. I think any damage is going to not be seen. It's up on the top, or you're never going to see it anyway. Half side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle, rear locking door. It's a bare interior, has no carpet or anything, just a base model. Screens have some holes in them. Right there's one. Right there's one. Other than that, that's not too bad. There's no other holes. On this side, there's a hole in the screen. Right there's that one, and there's the other one. And then the screen's all in good shape on this side other than those two holes. There's the build tag for it. It was built for 2009 GMC long bed. So there it is, the ARE TW series top built for Fibrobec. It is 07 to 13 GMC Sierra with the 8-foot bed. Wedge model, so it starts out cab high, goes about 6 inches taller in the back for more headroom for carrying camping gear, crawling in and out of there. Thanks for watching.